Stop scrolling. You're about to see websites you are not supposed to know about. They give free education from top universities, and nobody talks about them. Save this video, because you'll need it later. School is expensive. Courses are expensive. Even YouTube hides good stuff. But the internet has secret doors. Today I'll show you websites that give free courses, free certificates, free books, free skills, all legal, all powerful. Let's open the hidden vault. This is crazy. MIT is one of the top universities in the world, and they upload their real classes online for free. You get lecture videos, notes, assignments, exams, no sign-up needed. Practical tip: search in Google, MIT OpenCourseWare plus subject name. Example, MIT OpenCourseWare Python. Save the PDF notes offline. Most people think Coursera is paid, but here's the trick. Click the course, scroll down, press audit the course. Now it's free. You don't get certificate, but you get knowledge. Save tip: take screenshots of key slides or write notes in Google Docs. 100% free. Best for math, science, coding, basics, finance. Simple videos, easy to understand. Even adults use it. Pro tip: use it to fix weak basics, strong basics, fast learning later. This feels illegal, but it's not. You can borrow books online, textbooks, business books, programming books. Just create free account. Smart move. Search top 10 books for nice. Then find them on Open Library. This one is gold. Free coding courses, free certificates, real projects, web development, data science, Python, all free. Save tip: do one lesson per day. Consistency beats talent. Harvard gives free online courses. Search Harvard free online courses. You'll find computer science, law, business, AI. Yes, real Harvard content. Big universities post courses here. Many courses are free. Certificate costs money, but learning is free. Secret trick: filter by free courses. Yes, NASA has free learning resources, space science, engineering basics, research papers. Search NASA free learning resources. Feels like hacking space. The internet is not just memes, it's a free university. Most people scroll, few people learn. Which one are you? Comment, "I'm upgrading," and save this video before it disappears. This is LoOKMEouT. Subscribe it now.